So we're going to demonstrate installing a large and small eyelet. So eyelet has two parts to it, just the main eyelet part and a washer that goes under it, and when it's pressed the metal curls around the washer and creates that bond. So we're going to do, we've punched holes already, and if you take a look at this, you'll notice that the hole is a little bit smaller. So it's got to be tight. So you have to be able to, you have to sort of force it through and make that hole a little bit tight. So that's the large one, and this is the smaller one. And so we've got a smaller hole there. It's got to be tight and snug. So it has, the fabric has to kind of stretch around the post. Okay, so let's start installing the large eyelet. So the die set for the large eyelet is going to be used on the A press, and so the bottom part is the one that takes the washer, and there's a curve to the washer. So the curved part goes down, and then that just sits in there like that. And then the top part fits in like that. But to make this work, you have to actually install the die on the top. And sometimes it just doesn't want to go in. There we go. So to make this work, you actually have to get this through the fabric to be able to really get this to work properly. And then you can set it in there like that, and then push it down, and then give it a bit of a yank, and then let's take a look. So actually a little cracked a bit, so you don't have to push that hard. I think probably pushed it a little bit too hard, but it shouldn't crack, but it's acceptable. Let's do another one and see if we can cut back a little bit on the pressure and prevent it from cracking like that. Just a nice curl is what you're looking for. So I've already got the washer there, so let's just put that up. Okay, so I'm not going to push too hard. Yeah, that didn't work. It's got to be harder. Okay. There you go. So notice that it's not cracked. So this is what you're looking for, a nice clean curl, and it's tight and it doesn't wiggle on the fabric. Okay, let's take a look at the other side. We're going to put a small eyelet on here, and so it's a little bit different. So we're going to, we've already got the hole punched, and so the washer sits on the die set. This is die set number 13, and this is actually for the B press, and so the washer, and they fit together like that, and the washer goes on the bottom portion with that kind of nails hanging up there. So that goes like that. The top one sits nicely in there, but here again we're gonna install that on the top. And just screw tighten it. Tighten it with your thumb is good enough. And then we're going to push that through the fabric. And this one is different. You just kind of let it sit there, push it down over that nail, and then push it, pull it down, and there you go. You've got a nice clean eyelet, and there you have it. It's just that easy.